Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Woodpecker and Manyreach. So to get started with a quick overview, Woodpecker is a cold email automation platform designed for B2B sales teams agencies, focusing on personalized outreach, automated follow-up, and deliverability protection. It's known for being user-friendly with a strong CRM integration. Then on the other side, Outreach is a newer outreach tools that emphasize on skills, ability, and nickname and email outreach automation and AI-driven personalized. It caters to modern sales teams looking to automate high-volume campaign while maintaining personalization. And talking about what these two platforms are best for, talking about Woodpecker is best for small to mid-size B2B teams seeking a reliable cold email sequence with a strong personalization. The other side, Manyreach is best for growth-focused teams needing a scalable cold outreach across emails and LinkedIn. Then here's a very conclusion. So go with Woodpecker if you want a battle-tested, reliable cold email tools with a great personalization and CRM integration. Then on the other side, choose Manyreach if you are focused on scaling outreach across multiple channels, for example, email and LinkedIn, and you want an AI-powered personalization at a competitive price. So let me know in the comment section what's your take on choose two platform. Thanks.